The Egyptians were the first people to discover that the feet are a very important part of the body, in which all the organs, the physical and the spiritual body, are tied with it. The feet collected all the energy of the earth and used it like magnets to support our body. Everything good or bad starts in the feet. The ancient Egyptians, foot massage is a special way to open the energy points. The ancient Egyptians understood that using oil for healing the body affects muscles and brings all the parts of the body in a good condition. Also, it makes a balance between the mind and the physical body. It heals depression and stress. The Egyptians' herbs may be used to heal a range of diseases. They are also based on extensive analysis by the ancient Egyptian priests. Sounds were used for many purposes in ancient Egypt. Singing bowls were used especially to heal psychic problems. The vibrations of the bowls touched the soul, their heart, and gave them peace, the way back to their inner self. When the bowls are vibrating by a stroke, they produced a wide spectrum of frequencies that can heal body, mind, and soul. Ancient Egyptian civilization believed that physical wellness was connected to the spiritual health. Each time the body manifested discomfort or diseases, doctors were convinced that spirits were clogging and blocking the body's channels. In order to solve their problems, doctors or healers advised both prayer and natural remedies to their patients. Therefore, it is no surprise to discover that medical professions were carried out by priests. The ancient Egyptians believed in gods, demons, and spirits, blurred the lines between magic and medical scientific detachment. In fact, people believe that illnesses appear due to the gods or the evil spirits' anger. Speaking their enemies' language of magic and charms could alleviate their patients from pain. For instance, if one was bitten by a scorpion, the solution consisted in offering prayer to a god or goddess. Wherever a pregnant woman would have prayed to a goddess of magic and medicine. In essence, ancient Egyptian civilization believed that they were inflicted with diseases and pain because they had to learn a life lesson or because they had to redeem their sins. Before initiating treatment, the doctors recited an incantation and prayed the gods to assist the patient's healing. The doctors' priests also employed talismans in their rituals, and if patients were cured, it was thanks to the placebo effect that such procedures played on the psychic and body. Overall, it can be claimed that ancient Egyptians' medicine is grounded in mysticism and herbology. Since the ancient Egyptians had their own alphabetical and numerological system, they started recording their medical findings, and they compiled the Ebers Papyrus, which today is the most ancient text concerning medical practice. The book was written around 115 BCE, yet it contains over 700 remedies, charms, and incantations that may date back to 3400 BCE. The work offers solutions to various conditions concerning dentistry, mental illness, the heart, issues of many others, pregnancy, dermatology, eyesight, and surgery. Medical texts were written on papyrus. The Ebers Papyrus is around 20 meters long and were kept in the temples. The ancient Egyptians, they believed in bringing a magic healer, which in our day and time would be like a voodoo priest or a person that did what they call witchcraft or a witch. They would bring a magic healer with the doctor because they believed there was spirits causing a lot of the problems also, as well as medical terms. They used a lot of natural things like herbs, talismans, crystals to balance the body, to bring the body back to the way it used to be. They believed a lot of the things was very spiritual. And the Egyptians, they believed in yoga, meditation, bringing you back to your inner self.